how to remove professional account on Instagram. Now let's say you are currently logged in as a professional account on Instagram. In order for you to remove that and in order for you to switch from professional to personal, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and tap on professional dashboard. Only those on professional account will have professional dashboard right here. The next thing to do is to tap on this setting right here and scroll down. Once we're here, all we have to do is to tap on creator, or it could be business as well, and then scroll down again. Once you have scrolled down, you will be able to see switch account type right here. You just have to click on that and tap on switch to personal account. However, if you switch from professional account to personal account, all the features that a professional account has given you will be diminished or will not be available anymore if you will switch to personal account. So all you have to do is to tap on switch to personal account right here and go back. Now when you refresh it, you are currently a personal account.